Hi viewers, my name is Ahmad Amar and I welcome you to Infotech. Today's video is about how to transfer WordPress site from one local host to another local host. So let's get started. First, open your WordPress site, go to the dashboard of your website, click on plugin button in the dashboard menu. Select all the plugins from the previous site and delete all of them. It is not necessary to delete all the plugins from the previous site. You can import the website without deleting all the plugins. In my point of view, you should delete all the plugins from the previous site. When all the plugins are deleted, click on Add New button on the top of the page. Type all-in-one WP Migration on search bar. Install all-in-one WP Migration. When the installation complete, click on Activate button. You will find a separate menu. If you like to export your site, click on Export button. Choose any format. And if you like to import your website, click on Import button. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your loved ones. Thank you. Have a nice day.